Kaya urong. Vivian. What patients do you have?
Hello.
Do we have a COVID
Vaccination is done regularly here.
but we don't have a COVID.
Right now, no one is positive.
No, but do we have a facility to upgrade into a COVID unit?
Sir, actually, we have a COVID care center that guest house. Narwai Tongthai. That was the actually.
No, but that is isolation.
isolation.
But you have ICU here?
no, sir.
You don't have
We
ICU.
don't have ICU.
So if you have an emergency, then
So we have to refer to GB because that is the dedicated COVID care center.
is there any space right now which has an ICU place which we can upgrade?
Right now, it's not there, sir.
So we have no ICU here.
No ICU. This only, sir, we are since it is the community health level,
Uh-huh.
so we don't have a.
No, but at least something so that there is a intermediary. And what is the
So when actually, sir, we give some NSS.
yes?
Right now, we don't have the NSS, so we cannot have the- because we need ventilator.
You don't have any ventilator, obviously, if you don't have an ICU. Oxygen?
Oxygen, we have the cylinder.
How many oxygen?
37 yeah.
And how many beds right now?
Right now, sir, this is designated 50 bedded.
50. And how many is operational?
Yeah. Fully operational, but it is divided into male ward.
Can I have a look at that?
Yes.